So, welcome everyone for the day 9 of Navaratri. So, today is the last date, and if you not watch my that previous video, so go and watch that my videos. So, already it's shared, and also you can pre-order my book also to know more about that the journey, and as well, so you'll receive that audio book as a free. Okay, and so today is the day 9. It's the goddess represents Siddhidatri, right? So she is the giver of wisdom and the supernatural powers. So do you know? So we are carriers in our life. So that is our subconscious mind. Okay. So do you know that our subconscious minds that become a biggest enemy also, and also it is the greatest superpower also. But how you use it, everything it's matter of yours. So and I have shared that short story in my book also. So that is on the old woman, and she started sharing that her mind is not good, and her mind is not able to think more, and also started sharing that I'm losing my memory. So when she started sharing that, slowly her memory coming to weaker. So then, so after that, the one of the person suggested her, so then she realized it. So then after that she started practicing herself. So that is my memory is more powerful than ever, and also I remember what I need. So she started saying that positive in herself. Then what happens later? Yes. So after few days, she start improving in her memory, and also she can start remembering herself what really required in her life. Okay, so that is the reason that subconscious matter is very important. So because she has believed that my memory power is more stronger than ever, and she's thinking on that, she has feel it, and also she started taking that actions towards what is really matter for her. Okay, so all the four areas is very important to building that, start giving that teaching for your subconscious mind, because that programming level of your subconscious mind is really matters for your life. Yeah, so that is a four word I have shared, that the four letters I have shared in my book as well, that is FTBA. So feeling, thought, belief and action. So I have learned these word letters from my mentors, and I have shared go deeper of this in my book as well, and also more lessons secrets also I have included in my book. Okay, so now ask yourself, so right now from the affirmation and by reprogramming her subconscious mind, she get back to that normal of that mind, right, that memory. But so just think of that for your career also, for your health also, for your relationship also, how you can reprogramming your subconscious mind. Just sit a moment and think of that, are you doing right or wrong? Then you will understand what is that really matters for your life. The what situation happened in your life is also matter of your inside, that means your subconscious mind. So what is happening in the outside world, it really matters of your inside, of you are there. So everything will be mattering. So just think of a moment, how many times you have shared that negative thoughts and negative beliefs in yourself. Okay, so how it really happened, that situation, just think of that. Now if you have already realized, okay, start working on yourself with the positive thinking. So I have shared that Hawaiian technique also, because do you believe that your subconscious mind will be forgiving yourself and also others? Do you believe that your subconscious mind is forgiving yourself and others? Yes, that is all about Hawaiian technique. Have shared that. If you want to know more, you can just pre-order my books, so you'll get to know about using your, because you'll get that gift as well, that audiobook. So you'll listen those, so you'll understand what really matters, what are the techniques you have to work on yourself to achieve that success in your life. Okay, so thank you everyone. So let's meet for tomorrow. So I will bring that tomorrow. So tomorrow's the last day of my sharing that biggest, that chapter 10 lesson, because tomorrow is the Vijayadashmi, right? So that is the reason I will bringing that powerful lesson, okay, to achieve that success for your life and getting that greater success. Without miss, to pre-order my book, I have already shared that link in the description, so click on that link. And as I shared that, if you have order book by today, so you will in the top 10. If you are there, so you'll receive that bonus gift also, to work on your to finding that true purpose of your life, so you'll get that direction and clarity for your life. Thank you.